So we got this blow dryer. I thought I would show you real quick what some of the features on it that I like. It's, first of all, it's not super big. So, and the other thing that I really like, first of all, is that if you can see the handle, if you want to save space, all you do is fold it down like that. And then it just saves space, like where we use it to hang up, or sometimes we'll put it under our counter, but then you just straighten it out. And the other thing is, we always have trouble with cords getting in the way and trying to wrap them around and fall off. But this you pull out, and then here on the side, it has, you hit that little button, it's retractable. So it just retracts it back in, so you don't have to mess with the cord. It's super simple. It just has like a high, medium, low down here, and then your little cool button if you want it to cool off on your hair if it gets too hot. But it's not super fancy, but it works great. And like I said, I like that it folds. I like the retractable cord on it. So if you're just looking for a simple but good blow dryer, easy for travel, I would recommend this one.